Children, I finished the lesson at the desolated home. I already finished the meanings also. Now, present tense, past tense, singular, plural and opposite we will see now. In this lesson, opposites, then singular, plural, then present tense, past tense. Present, past. Now, I will read out the words. It will come under which section we have to see whether it is opposite, singular, plural or present tense, past tense. Now, humans. Humans comes under plural. Humans. So, singular of this is human. Human, single human means human, more than one means humans. Now next, destroyed. Destroyed comes under past tense. Destroyed. So present tense of this is destroy. Without adding ed, we have to write destroy. So past tense of that is destroyed. Now start, started given here, started, that comes under past. Past. So present tense of this is start. Start. Now next, lived. Lived. Lived also comes under past tense. Lived. So present tense of this is live. Live. Now next comes started, already I given, established, founded, established, found. This also comes under past tense, established. So present tense of this is establish. This all you have to write in the note and learn. Then next, traveled. Traveled, that also comes under past tense. Traveled. Now present tense of this is travel. Travel. One L only. When you are writing the answer, double L you have to write. Now next, reached. Reached also comes under past tense. Reached. Reached. Present tense of this is reach. Now next comes saw. SAW, saw. Saw comes under past tense, that also past tense. Present tense of this is see. I see the lion. I saw the lion. Now next one, wake. Wake. Wake is present tense. Past tense of this is oak. 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 I wake up in the morning. I woke up in the morning. Now next comes surprised. Surprised, that also comes under past tense. Surprised. Present tense of this is surprise. Without adding ed. Surprise. Now next comes colonies. Colonies, that comes under plural. Colonies. Present tense singular of this is colony. 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 That Y change into IES. Colonies. Colonies. Present tense singular of that is colony. Then next comes souls. Souls. Souls also plural. Souls means days. Now singular of this soul. SOL, soul. Now like that, plural is vegetables. Vegetables. More than one means vegetables. One vegetable means vegetable. Without adding S. Now next comes carrot. Carrot is singular. Single. More than one means carrots. carrots. Yes, you have to add. Then next comes fertilizer. Fertilizer. Fertilizer is singular. Fertilizers plural. Fertilizers. Then next comes fuel. Fuel singular. Plural is fuels. Fuels. Then next one is natural. Natural comes under opposite section. Natural. Things which are not natural is called artificial. Artificial. Things which are not natural is called artificial. Again, stories. Stories comes under plural. The singular of this is story. S-T-O-R-Y. So this Y change into I-E-S. Stories. Now next comes under difficult, comes under opposites. Difficult. Opposite of this is easy. Opposite of this one is easy. Now next scientist. Next one is scientist. It comes under plural. More than one scientist is called scientists. Yes, we have to add. And singular of this is scientist. So listen here. From this lesson we can, opposites are natural, artificial, then difficult, easy. The next section is singular plural. Singular plural. Human, humans. Only S letter you have to add. Then colony, colonies. Y change into IES. Then next sol. Sol means day. I already taught you in the lesson. In Mars the days are called sol. So one day means sol. More than one means sols. Next vegetable. Plural of this is vegetables. Carrot, carrots. Fertilizer, fertilizers. Fuel, fuels. Story, this Y change into stories. IES, stories. Scientist, scientists. The next section is present tense, past tense. Destroy, destroyed. ED you have to add. Start, started. In that also ED you have to add. Live, lived. D, only one letter you have to add. Lived. Establish, established. ED you have to add. Travel, double L here. One more L you have to add and ED. Reach, reached. ED you have to add. See. This word change, saw, S-A-W, saw. Wake, woke. Surprise, surprise. These things and all you have to write in the notebook and learn well and learn the spellings also. So read the lesson well. Next class I will ask the question answers. Okay children. Next. Now next we will see the fill in the blanks here. Now fill in the blanks from this lesson. First fill up. The man destroyed dash. The man destroyed dash. Destroyed our home, that is earth. The man destroyed our home. Our home means earth, the planet earth. Now next comes, in the earth we get water from. In the earth, in the planet earth, we get water from rain. We get water from rain. In planet Mars, we got the water from burning fuels. Rain. Next comes, in Mars, dash earth days makes a year. In Mars, dash earth days makes a year. How many days, children? How many days? 687. How many? 687 earth days make a year. Then next one, you don't need dash and dash in the earth. You don't need space suit and oxygen. Space suit and oxygen in the earth, but in Mars it is very necessary. Without oxygen cylinder and space suit, we can't live in the Mars. Then last fill up. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not dash. What is the answer for that, children? Fruits, vegetables and water. Comparing to earth, fruits, vegetable and water in the Mars are not tasty. In the Mars are not tasty. So listen here. The man destroyed our home. Our home means here earth. In the earth we get water from rain, that is natural. But in the Mars we get water from burning the fuels. You already read that one. In Mars, dash earth days makes a year. 687 earth days. Then you don't need space suit and oxygen cylinder in the earth, but it is very necessary in the Mars. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not tasty. Comparing to earth, these fruits, vegetable and water in the Mars are not tasty at all. Now next choose the correct answer is here. Options are given. Now I am writing the options first. Astronomer, then earth, soul, fuels, and last one is Mars. These are the 5 options. First question, a day in Mars is called dash. A day in Mars is called dash. What is the answer, children, for this? A day in Mars is called sol. In Earth we can say day, but in Mars it is called sol. Then next, dash is called the red planet. Which planet is called the red planet, children? What is the option given here? Mars. Very good, Mars. Next one, our planet is called dash. We are living in which planet, children? Our planet is called the Earth. What is the answer? Earth. We are living in Earth. Then next comes, we get water by burning. We means here, Ariyumati and grandfather is saying, they are living in planet Mars. So we get water by burning dash. I said by burning fuels. That is in planet Mars. But in planet Earth we are getting water from rain. That is natural. Here in this, we means here Ariyumati and grandfather is saying they are getting water in planet Mars by burning the fuels. Now next comes last one. The dash are trying to terraform Mars. Are trying to terraform means, I said already, make the planet suitable for living human beings. Terraform. So who are they? Who are making the planet suitable for living human beings? That is astronomer. So listen here. A day in Mars is called sol. So in Earth we are saying day, but in Mars we are calling that one sol. And the dash is called the red planet Mars. Mars is called the red planet. Our planet is called the dash. We are living in the planet Earth. And we get water by burning fuels. Here we means those who are living in the red planet Mars. The astronomers are trying to terraform Mars. Terraform means making the place suitable to live on that planet. So this and all you have to write and learn. Next class I will ask the question answers. Thank you.